From the ashes I arise. Your presence fills the skies. I feel your holy flame. I call your name. Every shadow starts to fade in the light your hands have made. You breathe and I am new. My heart to you. Let your glory fall tonight. Turn my darkness into light. I lift my hands to see your majesty. Your presence everywhere. My heart begins to rise to endless skies. Crown of light, pure and bright. You turn my darkness into sight. Every breath, every sound, your glory all around. Crown of light, shining high. Lift me where the angels fly. Forever I'll delight in your crown of the stars begin to fade. Your dawn of grace displayed. My soul begins to sing to heaven's King. Your mercy like a flame forever speaks your name. In you I'm sanctified, glorified. Your glory fills the air. Your presence everywhere. My heart begins to rise to endless skies. Crown of light, pure and bright. You turn my darkness into sight. Every breath, every sound, your glory all around. Crown of light, shining high. Lift me where the angels fly. Forever I'll delight in your crown of your love, my endless throne. I'm never alone. Your radiance fills the air beyond compare. house of light, I'm coming home. Through the veil I see your glow, a path where angels go. Your mercy beckons me eternally, each step a holy flame. Forever praise your name. You open heaven's door, I'm yours, my only more. Every setting dies in your eyes. House of light, pure and bright, shine through the darkest night. Every breath, every sound, your presence all around. House of light, safe and true, all my hope returns to you. Hearts forever right in your house of night. Every breath, every sound, your presence all around. House of light, safe and true, all my hope returns to you. Hearts forever right in your house of forever right in your house of house of light. grace carry me. I feel your spirit near, whispering soft and clear through every lonely place. You breathe and life begins. You calm the storm within. I lift my hands to see you're moving me. You move where hearts are still. You speak your perfect will. Your peace becomes my song, where I belong. Winds of grace blow through me, set my spirit wild and free. Every breath, every sound, your mercy all around. Winds of grace, pure and true, lead me back again to you. All my heart you raise through winds of grace. The night has lost its fear. Your spirit draws me near, like air that fills my chest. In you I rest. You carry me so high, above the tears I cry. Your presence fills the space with holy grace. You move where hearts are still. You speak your perfect will. Your peace becomes my song, where I belong. Winds of grace blow through me, set my spirit wild and free. Every breath, every sound, your mercy all around. Winds of grace, pure and true, lead me back again to you. All my heart you raise through winds of grace. Your spirit fills the air, your love beyond compare. I rise in your embrace, in winds of grace. Winds of grace blow through me, set my spirit wild and free. Every breath, every sound, your mercy all around. Winds of grace, pure and true, lead me back again to you. All my heart you raise through winds of grace. Winds of grace carry me. Spirit dawn, awaken me. Night gives way to day, Your peace lights every way. I breathe the morning air. You're everywhere. The earth begins to sing. No mercy you will bring. Every shadow's gone. The light lives on. You move within the light. You turn my dark to bright. Forever I will stay in your holy day. Spirit of dawn, rise in me. Set my soul completely free. Every breath, every sound, your glory all around. Spirit of dawn, pure and true. Every morning starts with you. Hearts forever drawn. Spirit of dawn. The sky begins to glow. Your rivers start to flow. Each color speaks your grace in every place. The sunlight on my skin reminds me you're within. I lift my eyes to see your victory. You move within the light. You turn my dark to bright. Forever I will stay in your holy day. Spirit of dawn, rise in me. Set my soul completely free. Every breath, every sound, your glory all around. Spirit of dawn, pure and true. Every morning starts with you. Hearts forever drawn. Spirit of dawn, your light becomes my song. I've waited all night long. Now faith and love arise in morning skies. Spirit of dawn, rise in me. Set my soul completely free. Every breath, every sound, your glory all around. Spirit of dawn, pure and true. Every morning starts with you. Hearts forever drawn. Spirit of dawn. Spirit of dawn, awaken me. Spirit of dawn. Hearts of heaven shine in me. Your love is all I see. It flows so endlessly through every rise and fall. You're over all. Hearts of heaven, pure and bright, burning in your holy light. Every breath, every sound, your presence all around. Hearts of heaven, true and free, beat in perfect harmony. All I am is given to hearts of heaven. Your love won't fade away, it shines through every day. Your spirit fills the air beyond compare. Hearts of heaven, shine in me. Hearts of heaven. Presence of peace, breathe over me. The morning softly glows, your mercy gently flows. In silence I am found on holy ground. Your spirit fills the air, a whisper everywhere. I lay my burdens down, you wear my crown. You move in every breeze, you speak in gentle keys. My heart begins to see your peace in me. Presence of peace, pure and bright, wrap me in your holy light. Every breath, every sound, your goodness all around. Presence of peace, calm and true, I am still because of you. Here my soul finds release. Presence of your hands restore my heart from brokenness apart. You sing a quiet song where I belong. The world can fade. resting in your grace and your embrace. Presence of peace, pure and bright, wrap me in your holy light. Every breath, every sound, your goodness all around. Presence of peace, calm and true. I am still because of you. Here my soul finds release. Presence of Presence of peace, breathe over me. Presence of peace. Light through the clouds, you're shining now. The sky begins to break, your mercy starts to wake. Through shadows, through the gray, you lead the way. I lift my weary eyes to see your morning rise. You turn my fear to song, where faith belongs. Your promise I can see, you're lifting it. Light through the clouds, hear you shine, breaking chains of space and time. Every breath, every sound, your glory all around. Light through the clouds, light through the clouds, pure and true. Every road leads back to you, hope forever loud. Light through the clouds. The rain has lost its song, your love has been here all along. You speak and storms subside, I'm safe inside. The world begins to glow, your truth is all I know. You lift me from the ground to where peace is found. You turn my fear to song, where faith belongs. Your promise I can see, you're lifting me. Light through the clouds, hear you shine, breaking chains of space and time. Every breath, every sound, your glory all around. Light through the clouds. light through the clouds. You're shining